In this video, I'll guide you through how to change the currency on Vrbo. Whether you're planning a vacation or managing your rental listings, ensuring you have the correct currency displayed can make all the difference in understanding costs and managing budgets. Let's dive right in. When you first arrive at the Vrbo homepage, you'll notice various icons and options at the top of the screen. Among these, there's a flag icon or sometimes a region/language selector. This might seem like a small detail, but it plays a crucial role in personalizing your Vrbo experience. Click on this icon or selector. What this does is open up a menu that allows you to choose a different regional site. This is an essential step because Vrbo operates in multiple countries and regions, each offering listings tailored to local preferences, including currency. Once you click on the icon, you'll see a list of different regions and languages. Each option corresponds to a different currency, and selecting one will automatically update the currency displayed across all listings on the site. This feature is particularly useful if you're browsing properties in another country or preparing for international travel. It's important to note that while this change updates the currency display on the website, the actual transaction might still be processed in the original currency of the listing. Therefore, always double check the details when making a booking or a payment. Now, let's go over a few additional tips to ensure a smooth experience. First, after changing your settings, it's a good practice to refresh the page. This ensures that all the listings you view reflect your chosen currency accurately. Also, keep in mind that exchange rates can fluctuate, so the displayed prices might slightly differ from the final amount charged to your account. If you're using the Vrbo app on a mobile device, the process is quite similar. Look for the settings or the profile section where you can adjust the region or language preferences. This will also change the currency settings, just like on the desktop version. Lastly, if you encounter any issues or if the currency doesn't seem to update, try clearing your browser's cache or restarting the app. This can often resolve minor glitches that might prevent the currency from displaying correctly. And there you have it, a straightforward way to change the currency on Vrbo, ensuring you have the most relevant information at your fingertips while planning your next adventure. Thanks for watching and happy travels.